This is how you can have your iPhone read text to you. I'm going to do a 2-finger swipe down from the top. I'm going to try it again. It's tricky sometimes to get. There we go.
Opacity on shape in Google Slides. View 5 corroboration links about this result. To change the opacity of a shape in Google Slides, select the shape, click the fill color paint bucket.
You see that it reads to you and it has highlighting, and you can have, or you have a bunch of different options down here for what it can do. You can have it read the entire page. You can have it just read a selection that you select. I'm going to show you how to set that all up in this video. So let's go into the settings. We're going to go all the way back to the main settings. Then we're going to go to accessibility. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says read and speak. And I have currently turned on speak screen and speak selection. They kind of imply what they do. So speak screen is this control bar that we have here that we can hide or stop and hide. And then to get it back, you got to pull down with 2 fingers at just the right spot.
Accessibility reader.
And then it will read what's on your screen. And then the other one, you select a piece of text and then you can read that selection. Inside of these, there are lots of options. That highlighting that I have, you can turn that on or off. If you want to turn it on, you can choose what you want to highlight. You can choose how you want to highlight it, either underline or background color. You can change the word color. You have 7 options, default being just black, I think. You can change the sentence color, same color options. So you want to pick 2 different colors, obviously. Then we can also toggle the controller on, so it's just always there. We don't need to swipe down to have it come. It's just always there. Under the 3 dots, the hide and stop option is now gone because we want that controller there all the time. And this is what it looks like when it's turned off. It's like a little speech bubble with boxes in it. And that's how you get the controller back. So whenever you minimize, that's what it looks like. There's lots of options. Changing the speaking rate, opening a specialized reader, go forward, go backward. So I'm going to turn this option. You can tap and hold on the controller to move it as well. And turn that off so it doesn't get in the way so much for this video. Some more options down here. You can go through and tap on all of them, see what they all do. You can't really break anything. Just turn stuff off again that you don't want. For speak selection, there's really only speak selection and highlighting turned on. So just to show you again how this works, go any place. If we want to go to, let's say, an actual website, this Google Help page right here. The trouble is when you do the full screen reader, it's going to read out all the menu items. Watch this. We scroll down with 2 fingers from the top. It's got to be done just right.
Skip to main content.
There we go.
Main menu. Google Docs Editors Help. Search Help Center. Sign in. Help Center. Community.
So it's got to go through all those. That's where this little finger comes in, where you can tap on that and just point where you want to start.
How to change opacity of a shape 1.
And then you have to do that for every single line that you want to do.
Skip to main content.
Or, because we have the speak selection turned on, we can stop and hide this. Just double tap and hold to get the little selectors, and then you can pull the little circles to where you want them. Kind of wanted it like that. And then you can tap on this arrow to the right and choose speak.
I'm trying to figure out how to make a shape semi-transparent. I know how to change the opacity of an image, but how do I change the opacity of just a regular?
And then where it said speak, we now had a pause button in that same menu. And that's how we can have our phone do the reading for us. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it, so thanks for doing that. And then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video and I'll see you there.